she stopped dancing since she's been there?
Since the camera's turned on.
I just get excited about dyeing hair. I've never dyed hair.
How do you guys not sing to the rest of that?
Huh?
If someone sings ba-da-ba-ba-ba, you have to finish it.
I don't want to. I don't like that song. What are we supposed to say?
I don't know. Hello.
Hello.
Elizabeth, what are you doing today?
Dyeing hair.
Whose?
Madeline. Yours. I'm gonna be honest though, I've never dyed hair.
Perfect. My hair right now has like a red tint to it, so we're gonna hope to go with just a solid black.
Jet black.
Jet black.
If you would.
I would.
Step 1. Put on gloves. Comb hair. Open bottle and pour contents into the bottle.
Are you sure I don't have to get my hair wet?
It didn't say that yet. We're just on step 1. Don't rush the steps,
Well,
honey.
shouldn't that be like?
Don't you dare rush the step. Can you play a Shake It song? Shake it like a Polaroid.
Yeah, it'll go on.
Come on, let me see you shake your tail feather. Do it right. Shake it, baby.
Yeah, but.
Stop talking about wetting hair. It doesn't say that. Helpful hints. Apply color to damp hair that is free of styling product. Maybe get your hair damp.
Okay, we're going to get
Just
my hair
damp.
damp. Are we ready to get into our laboratory?
Pour water, girl. I'm gonna start. Apply all over. There
Dude, that tickles.
How much do you put?
Well, I don't
They
know.
just mix the whole
See, they
tube
put
into her head.
they put this much on the scalp, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I don't need these. I'm a free-for-all kind of girl.
Okay, just don't get it on my forehead.
Okay.
Do not rub into your scalp.
Oh, what did it say?
Do not rub into your scalp.
That's all it says.
Yeah, maybe like scrub.
Scrub, not rub.
Like, ow.
Sorry. Oh. Oh no.
Got it all over my. Dude, look at my forehead.
Oh no. Will that come off later?
Ah.
I'm gonna be honest.
Is it off?
You should have went to a professional.
You need to get the head. You did not get under there.
Yes, I did.
Underwear.
Scalp right here.
Yes, I did.
I'm worried.
It's okay.
It's on my face.
You're in great hands.
Okay.
How many times have you gotten your hair dyed? Ballpark.
100.
Really? Actually?
No.
50.
That's
I started dyeing my hair at a young age. My grandma used to give me highlights in my kitchen.
I just don't want to miss any spots.
Oh my god!
Oh, she just squirted that like ketchup. She squirted it.
Oh, she just squirted that like ketchup.
Oh wait. Get.
There's so much going on. I'm gonna start crying.
See it
Thank
working
you.
before my eyes.
Bro, it's out.
Ooh, that's a good scrub.
This is
right
the good scrub.
Ah.
Wow, that is some mixed hair.
Check out the neck. This is why my mom does my hair.
This looks like a crime scene.
Ah!
You wanna hold my hand?
It's getting in my eyes. Oh my god, this is the worst. I have never felt a worse feeling right now. Ow! Something's burning my eye!
Sorry.
I'm trying.
I think it's the best hair in your Don't stop burning your eyes! Oh my god, we just
I feel like I'm dying. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's black.
I think it came out pretty good. I'm gonna be honest.
Let's get some focus. Oh damn. Overall, I think I would give it a 10 out of 10 for
out of
hair
10.
dye jobs. Ow!
I had a good time dyeing hair for the first time and I'm happy it was documented.
Thanks for watching! Goodbye!
Ain't shady, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son.